Hey guys, it is Wednesday morning and I am on my way to my tilt table test. It is 8:00 something and my appointment is at 9 and it takes like a little over an hour to get there. So I just got back from the tilt table test and I'm gonna explain to you what it was like and what happened. So I went in there and they had me lay down on the table. They laid me down on this table and they put blood pressure cuff, blood pressure cuff my thigh, and a whole bunch of wires around me with like this stuff. I actually still have some on me. I have to take off here and there. But they put a whole bunch of stuff on me and I was covered with wires and everything. Oh, and they also put a thing on my head with like an ultrasound, so like it was like strapped on, like I have to wash this off with the mark from the gel to measure the blood flow to your brain. And then I had what looked like oxygen, but like it was to measure how much, I don't know, it was. So the whole thing about was like 2 hours, 1.5 hours, around there, and majority of the time I was laying down on the table. So while I was laying down on the table, getting like the baseline blood pressure and stuff, and after that, they gave me like exercises, they said it was, to do to measure and to see how everything reacted to what I did. I had to blow into this tube to see something, Wow. Good job, Emma. I don't know what I'm saying. But after a while of laying down and doing exercise and stuff, oh wait, before that, they had me stand up real quickly and get off the table by myself to see what it was like, see how my body reacted to it. So then a while went by after I lay back down, and they said it was time to like do the actual tilt of the table. So they had to like strap me down to make sure the wires didn't come off. I don't know, to make sure the wires didn't like fall down or come off of me. So they did that, and I was like facing upwards on the table. At the end of the table there was like a foot space that I could like, so I was standing on the table upwards, like the table, and then like me, you know. So then I stood up for 10 minutes, and they asked me how I felt and measured my heart rate and oxygen stuff, whatever I gave off, blood pressure, heart rate, all that stuff. And they laid me back down for 10 minutes and measured my everything. And then that's pretty much it. It was really long. It's kind of weird. I mean, it wasn't scary, but because like they didn't really do anything invasive to you, but it was just like a weird feeling because you're hooked up to all that stuff and people are watching you. I don't know, it wasn't horrible. It's just you standing up for 10 minutes and all those symptoms that you may get. So that's really it. Tell me if you want to see more medical videos or just regular day-to-day stuff, or you want me to do sit-down videos. I don't know, let me know and I will do that. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.